you want to play hacky sack?
Sure.
Well, I don't know how to play, so we'll just talk back and forth.
Okay.
Yep.
You gotta catch this.
Ow. Ah. What the fudge? Guys, get over here. Get over here. Over here. Yo, pick me up. Pick me up.
It's gonna eat me. Oh my god.
What are you guys thinking of doing? Hey, stop tossing me around. Ow. Dang it, I'm gonna kill you too.
I don't want it. I don't want it.
Guys, what's going on? What's going on?
It's talking.
What, the hacky sack?
Yes, it's talking.
Hold on. I got an idea. Watch this. There, now it won't bother you. Look, okay, luckily the fan's off. The fan's off, right?
Yes.
No one's going to rotate it around, are they? I hope not. Okay. So I guess we're safe. Sophia, you okay? You okay, little sister?
I think so.
Ah! Oh my gosh, let's get out of here.
It's gonna eat us all.